Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft-like games on your mobile device without downloading. Many players want to jump right into the blocky world without installing large applications. We will explore several ways to achieve this, focusing on browser-based solutions. This guide will help you understand the different approaches, ensuring you can start building and exploring quickly and easily from your phone or tablet. Cloud gaming services offer a fantastic way to play official Minecraft without downloading the game itself. Platforms like Shadow PC, Enware, or Boosteroid stream the game directly to your mobile browser. You'll often need a subscription and a strong internet connection, preferably 20 megabits per second or more, for a smooth experience. This method lets you enjoy the full game, including multiplayer, without using up your phone's storage. If you're looking for a free and immediate way to play, many browser-based games offer a similar experience to Minecraft. These unofficial versions run directly in your mobile web browser, requiring no downloads. They often include familiar elements like block placement, resource gathering, and world exploration. For a fan-made option with improved mobile touch controls, check out ClassyCube, allowing you to start playing within seconds. To get the best experience playing Minecraft-like games in your mobile browser, a few tips can help. Always use an up-to-date browser like Google Chrome or Apple Safari for better compatibility and speed. A stable Wi-Fi connection, rather than mobile data, will significantly reduce latency. For more precise control, consider connecting a Bluetooth game controller, which can greatly enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.